Hello guys, yes Shiuly and you're welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a special recipe of bitter gourd. If you like bitter gourd, you will love this recipe, and if you don't like bitter gourd, I will give you some tips. With those tips, all the bitter taste of the bitter gourd will be gone. So guys, let's see the recipe. I have taken 4 bitter gourds, chopped them like this, 2 onions and some green chilies according to taste. I didn't cut the green chilies. These are the things we need to arrange, and the rest of the things we need are available in the kitchen. And here I added some cooking oil in the pan, and the oil is heated well now. So now I'm adding about half teaspoon of cumin seeds. After the cumin seeds are crackled well, we need to add the onions. So now I'm adding them. We don't need to fry the onions very well. We need a light translucent color of the onions, and after that we need to add the bitter gourds. I'm stirring the onions. The heat is on medium, and after about 1 minute I'm adding the bitter gourds in the pan. If you don't like bitter gourds, then you may add 2 teaspoons of salt in the bitter gourds and rest them for about 30 minutes, and after that so much water will be released from the bitter gourds. So squeeze the water very well, and after that wash the bitter gourds very well again. This way all the bitter taste of the bitter gourd will be gone. But I like bitter gourds, I like the bitter taste as well, so I'm not doing anything like that. I'm adding the bitter gourds directly in the pan. After mixing a little, we need to add some salt and some turmeric powder. Salt according to taste and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. We need to add some more spices, but not now. It will be later, I'll tell you. So now we need to mix everything very well, and after that I'm going to cook it with a lid, but you may cook it without lid if you want some crispy bitter gourds. But I don't like crispy bitter gourd, I like it soft, so I'm cooking it with a lid. The heat is on low now. In between we need to uncover the pan, stir it nicely and cover again. So after about 5 to 6 minutes on low heat, the bitter gourds are cooked about 80 to 85%, not fully. And now we are going to add some more spices. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder or according to taste, and you may add some fennel seeds powder if you like, but I'm not adding that. After mixing well, we are going to cover the pan for another some time until the bitter gourds are cooked very well. So now it's mixed up well, and I'm covering the pan on low heat, of course. After about 2.5 minutes, our bitter gourds are cooked very well and our stir fry is ready. At the end of this recipe, you may add some fresh coriander leaves if you have, but I didn't have it, so I'm skipping it. And now our stir fry is ready. So I'm checking it, it's fully cooked as you can see. So now I'm turning the heat off and serving it hot. You may enjoy this stir fry with roti or chapati or dal chawal. Dal chawal means lentils curry and boiled rice. If you like bitter gourd, you will just love this recipe. So don't forget to try this recipe at home, and don't forget to share your experience with me. Hit the like button guys if you really liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.